with European exploration. Okay, you remember, can everybody see this okay? Okay. You'll remember we talked about the Portuguese and the Spanish being sort of the pioneers. We talked about the motives, right? God, gold, and glory, the religious, the economic, sort of the nationalism, patriotism, and personal glory that were served as the motives behind European exploration. Then we talked about how so Western Europe had thousands of years of contact with Northern Africa, but the Sahara Desert essentially served as a barrier. And so Europeans, they knew that there was Africa, they knew North Africa, and they knew there was this vast, impenetrable Saharan desert, so nobody knew how far down the African continent went. And yet, remember yesterday we talked a lot about the Asian spice trade and the economic motives for European exploration. So in the 1400s, as the technology gets better, the ship making and the navigational technology, the Portuguese begin probing, now that they have the technological means to, right, the advanced ship making and navigational techniques, they begin probing down the coast of Africa. They don't know how far down Africa goes. So in the 1430s, in the 1440s, in the 1450s, they're probing. Each successive voyage goes down the west coast of Africa, right? And they continue to map it out and create these maps and increase their knowledge, their geographical knowledge of Africa, right? And again, they're searching for this Asian, remember we talked about yesterday, the maritime trade route, because they want to tap into India, what's today India, China, again, this sort of lucrative Asian spice market, right? So eventually in 1487, a Portuguese explorer makes it around the southern tip of Africa into the Indian Ocean, okay? All right? Keep that in mind because we're going to talk later today or probably tomorrow about the Atlantic slave trade and the rise of slavery and how that fits into all of this. But back to the story of Christopher Columbus where we left off yesterday. In 1492, does anybody remember what happens? Obviously we know 1492, Columbus sails the ocean blue, right?